kkAda caramel liqueur. I get it. Hats off to you. Howdy, howdy everybody. Welcome back to the kkAda Tiger Club Bar here in beautiful Burlington, Washington at our YouTube studios at the Zephoria Spirits Distillery where we make kkAda caramel liqueur. We've got the bar band next door in the next room playing. You can hear Charlotte with her band playing. Hats off to you. Today, the third part of a four-part series on sippin' shots. We are doing Red Hots. Red Hots are made from cinnamon whiskey and our caramel, and it is a delicious shot. It's a sippin' shot. So in bars and restaurants, you can order it and just sip on it if you want to. You can throw it back if you want to. But it's meant to be a sipping shot. Now women out there in drinking land sometimes shy away from one of the most popular cinnamon whiskeys, which is Fireball. That's a Sazerac product. A lot of women won't do straight shots of Fireball. However, with sipping shots where you're using half our caramel and half cinnamon whiskey, the caramel takes the edge off the hot cinnamon. So a lot of women will do Red Hots versus just straight shots of Fireball. There's lots of different cinnamon whiskeys out there. Jack Daniels makes one, Jim Beam makes one. Total Wine & More brings in one called Catch Fire. They're all good cinnamon whiskeys. Some prefer a certain taste over another, but all of them you're able to make a Red Hot with. So without further ado, let's get on to the Red Hots. So Red Hots, very, very, very simple. You're simply adding half our caramel and half cinnamon whiskey. So in a shot glass, pour in a half a shot of cinnamon whiskey, and then you're just going to add a half a shot of the good stuff, kkAda caramel liqueur. And that is a Red Hot. Now, again, you can just serve it as a sipping shot and just take little sips of that. The caramel mixed with the red hot cinnamon whiskey is extremely delicious. Again, ladies who won't do straight Fireball will do this shot. Because like I said, the caramel takes the edge off the hot cinnamon. So as a sipping shot or just a throwback shot. Wow, that is delicious, that is good. Red Hots are served for a lot of different reasons. In the sporting world, they do Red Hot shots for touchdowns in football. They do it for goals in soccer. They do it for goals in hockey. I think it's just an excuse to drink cinnamon whiskey, and but it is delicious. So you can find this recipe online. You can by simply just going to our website and clicking on drinks, and you'll find all these different shots, forms of different shots and shooters, as well as drinks, cooking recipes, that kind of stuff, using our one-of-a-kind kkAda caramel liqueur. If you live in the Seattle area, you can buy kkAda at any Total Wine & More, Hagen's, Thriftway, local liquor stores. So out in Ocean Shores, you can go to Martin Bruni. If you're in the Seattle area, a lot of liquor stores carry it. Up north, you can get it at Marysville Liquor up on 64th. You can get it in Monroe, get it from Twan out there on Main Street. If you don't live in the area and you'd like to get this product and start having a lot of fun making these different recipes and cooking with this, just text or go online and go to www.kkAda.com and look for buy now, and we'll ship it straight to your door. $33 a bottle plus shipping. You can follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/kkAda Caramel Liqueur. As always, we want to thank you for joining us here at the kkAda Tiger Club Bar. And next time we'll be doing another drink, another cooking recipe, possibly the fourth part of the series of Sippin' Shots, which would be a caramel apple whiskey. Until that time, we want to thank the bar band in the background and hope you enjoy that music. We certainly do. And again, please drink responsibly, and we'll see you next time right here at the YouTube studios in beautiful Burlington, Washington. Stay safe.